Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching material cost. Economic order quantity, part C, EOQ with discounts. So let us start with question number 6. Sachin Limited furnishes the following information. First, consumption is given as 300 units per quarter. Second, cost per unit is given as rupees 40. Third, cost of processing an order is given as rupees 600. Fourth, obsolescence is given as 15% per annum. Fifth, insurance of inventory is given as 25% per annum. Compute A. Economic order quantity, that is EOQ. B. Number of orders per year. C. Time between two consecutive orders. A supplier offers a discount of 5% on a purchase of 600 units. Should it be accepted? So we need to start with solution to find out whether the discount of 5% will be accepted or not. Solution. We know that A stands for annual demand, which is equal to 300 units per quarter. So 300 into 4, which will be equal to 1200 units. Next, CA, which is equal to ordering cost, which will be, so ordering cost is given as rupees 600. So we'll record rupees 600. Next, CI, which is equal to carrying cost per unit per annum, which will be equal to, cost per unit is given as rupees 40. Obsolescence and insurance of inventory is given as 15% and 25% per annum. So we'll record 15% plus 25% of rupees 40, which will be equal to rupees 16. So part A, EOQ, which is equal to under root 2A CA upon CI, which will be equal to under root 2 into A, that is 1200 units, into CA, which is 600, divided by CI, which is rupees 16, which will be equal to 300 units. So EOQ is 300 units. Next, we'll calculate number of orders, which is equal to annual demand divided by EOQ, which will be equal to, annual demand is given as 1200 units divided by EOQ, which is 300 units, which will be equal to 4 orders per year. Part C, time lag between conservative orders, which will be equal to 12 months divided by number of orders, which will be equal to 12 divided by 4, which will be equal to 3 months. So time lag between consecutive orders is 3 months. So the time lag between two conservative orders is 3 months. Next, we'll prepare statement showing total cost at different ordering quantity. Order size for 300 units and 600 units. Cost of item. So the cost of item will be annual demand into carrying cost, that is rupees 40 into 1200 units. So we'll record 1200 units into rupees 40. So it will be 48,000 for 300 units as well as for 600 units. Less discount at the rate of 5%. So a supplier offers a discount of 5% on a purchase of 600 units. So the discount amount will be calculated as 5% of rupees 48,000, which will be rupees 2,400. So net cost of items will be rupees 48,000 for 300 units and rupees 45,600 for 600 units. Add ordering cost. So let us calculate ordering cost. Calculation of total ordering cost and carrying cost. Particulars: working for 300 units and working for 600 units. So total ordering cost is equal to A upon Q into CA. So working will be A is 1200 units divided by Q, that is EOQ, which is 300 units, into CA, that is 600. So the amount will be 2,400 for 300 units. So we'll record it rupees 2,400 under 300 units. Next we'll calculate total ordering cost for 600 units, which will be 1,200 of annual demand divided by EOQ, which is 600, into 600, which is CA. So the total ordering cost for 600 units will be 1,200. So we'll record rupees 1,200 as ordering cost under 600 units. Next, add carrying cost. So now let us calculate carrying cost. Total carrying cost is equal to Q upon 2 into CI. So let us calculate carrying cost for 300 units, which will be 1 upon 2 into 300, that is EOQ, into 16, which is CI. So the total carrying cost will be rupees 2,400 for 300 units. So we'll record it rupees 2,400 under 300 units. Next we'll calculate total carrying cost for 600 units. So 1 upon 2 into 600, that is quantity, into 40% of 38, which will be rupees 4,560. So we'll record rupees 4,560 under 600 units. So the total cost for 300 units will be 52,800, and for 600 units it will be rupees 51,360. Conclusion: it is clear that calculation of 5% discount should be accepted. Order size will be 600 units per order. So the company will save rupees 52,800 minus rupees 51,360, which will be rupees 1,440 per annum. So the company should accept the discount offer.